Hello everybody, today I'm pleased to present you this beautiful Giulietti F3CT transformer button accordion. It is a C-system button accordion, in great condition with no dents and minor signs of wear. It also has a C-system Freebass. On the treble side we have 87 buttons, 5 register switches, and 3 sets of reeds. On the bass side we have 123 bass buttons, 3 register switches, 2 switches for the standard bass and 1 switch for the free bass. We also have 5 sets of reeds. The lowest note is A. The highest note is B flat. This is a professional button C-system accordion, and now I'm gonna play you some pieces to demonstrate the sound.